So what's up guys, it's Yugo for the Dragon Files, and now we're on our image lesson of the HTML tutorial series. So first let's see what we're going to be making. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be adding some images to our web page. So to do that, all we have to prepare is the image and the file on the same directory. So let's get started. So to start, just open your notepad and type in the following codes: HTML/HTML. Of course, never to forget to close your tags. Next, body, and then close it with /body. All we have to learn in this part of our lesson is how to put in the image. So how to do that? It's simple. Just add the code img, which stands for image, and to call our image into our HTML, just type in src equals double quote, and then because we're going to put in the image and this file into the same directory, all we have to do is type in the file name. So our file name is logo space df, and this is our official logo for the Dragon Files, and it doesn't look very good, but I think it's good enough for me. I have designed it, and I like the color blue and green. That's why I use it. So let's continue for the tutorial. So all we have to do is type in logo space df. It doesn't have to be a capital letter. And the next important thing is the file extension. So this file extension is, let's see it on our properties bar, on our properties menu. It is written that it is a JPEG image. JPEGs are written as .jpg. So let's try it. Hit Ctrl S and then save it as. What you're hearing are those are the jeepneys, because I'm from the Philippines, and you know that's the public jeepneys and buses were the public transportation and main transportation here in the Philippines. So just a little quickie for that. So let's go back and save it as image.html. Okay, we are now saved it on the desktop. Now let's see what we've done so far. So that's it. We have here our logo at its exact size, not reduced into the smallest size, and not stretched into bigger size. So what if we want to change it on a smaller one or a bigger one? So let's edit our notepad. Let's add some attributes. So what we're going to add, first attribute is the width, and of course next is the height. We can use two ways to size our images. The first way is to use pixels, and the second way is to use percentage. So on percentage, this will measure the width of the browser. So let's try first 100%. So to use the percent, all you have to do is add the percent sign and another 100% for the height. So let's save it, Ctrl S, or file and save, and then double click the image. Let's see. So that's it. It follows the width of the web browser and also the height. So as you adjust it, it will follow the web browser's size, width, and height. So that's it for the pixels, and if you type in 50%, it will only cover until here, and will make the picture smaller. but still will be stretched as we move our browser. Now it's time to try the other way. So that's pixel. To use pixel, all we have to do is remove the percent sign. What if we want it on 500 pixels? Just type in 500 for width and 500 for height. Also, you can do it for 300 for height, and of course we want it to be square, but it was supposed to be a square logo. So let's save it, hit Ctrl S, go to our Firefox or your favorite web browser or your default web browser, and then hit F5, and as you see, it is now resized into 500 pixels by 500 pixels. As we adjust our web browser, it will not change and will hold its size. So that's it. That's how we use our image. In the next lesson, we'll be discussing about how to align the image and more uses of the image. So if this helps, please rate, comment, and subscribe. It is Chikoy for the Dragon Files.